Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lady Vivien's Slices of Jamaican Life. Me come here fi drink milk, but me no come here fi count cow. No mug, no broke, then no coffee won't throw away. Our proverbs, the collective wisdom of our people, they carry with them a unique kind of wittiness, not easily translated into other idioms. Of course, you know that every nation on this earth, they have their proverbs. And the proverbs date back to the times of the Bible. Many of them will walk you right back to Africa. So many persons just create a proverb, a saying, an expression. It just comes out of what they're actually experiencing in that moment. And then that expression comes to become an embedded aspect of how we think and how we express ourselves. When you go across Jamaica, there are many different variations on one particular theme. So you might have a proverb expressed in one way in Portland, and when you get to Westmoreland, the same thought is expressed, but it might be expressed using different words. When I was a child, my parents would express themselves by sharing proverbs, and it was when you got older that you realized, oh, so water walk go up pumpkin belly. And that's another one. How water walk go up pumpkin belly? How does the water get into the belly of a pumpkin? That really is a proverb which talks about how somebody gets pregnant. Today, I'm going to share with you a few proverbs from my book, the Jamaica Handbook of Proverbs. The actual Jamaican Patwa version, the literal translation, and then the interpretation. No mug, no broke. No coffee, no dash way. The mug is not broken. Therefore, the coffee is not thrown away or wasted. And this proverb is sharing with us that even in the most difficult of times, one should sit, reflect, and count his or her blessings. No mug, no broke. No coffee, no dash way. Silent river run deep. Silent river runs deep. We should never underestimate the depth or the strength of the undercurrent in a placidly flowing river. Nor should we take anything or anyone for granted. There's a whole lot going on below the surface. Silent river, run deep. Old fire stick easy for catch. Old fire sticks are easily rekindled. It is much easier to light coals which have been burnt before than to get a fire going with fresh logs. Similarly, if a relationship has previously existed between two persons, it is easier to rekindle the flames of love between those two persons than to go off and to start another relationship with someone else. Old fire stick, easy for catch. If you got your hand in a devil mouth, take time dry out. If your hand is caught in the devil's mouth, exercise great caution when attempting to pull it out. When we find ourselves in danger, we should not worsen the situation by acting with imprudence, by sounding off, by becoming rambunctious. When your hand in a devil mouth, take time, dry out. Chicken married, hawk the near. The chicken unaware of the danger posed by the hovering hawk, makes merry. Danger can lurk in some of the most unexpected places. We should temper, therefore, our most light-hearted moments with a little sobriety. Chicken Mary, hawk, the near. Everyday devil held thief. One day, God will help the watchman. Every day, the devil helps the thief. One day, however, God will come to the aid of the watchman. We should not despair when it appears to us that unscrupulous persons continue to take advantage of us with no apparent deterrent. God never sleeps. He doesn't wear pajamas, and he is fully aware of everything that occurs everywhere in the world. He will one day reward the efforts of the faithful. Every day devil help thief. One day, God will help the watchman. Thank you for watching. Do join me again next week for another slice of Jamaican life. Remember, our culture, our heritage is exciting, it is robust, and it is alive. Let's embrace it. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button, share the video, and if you have not yet done so, please consider subscribing to get more Jamaican cultural material. See you next week.